आपूण पक्षाक विश्वास दिता तिसवाडीतली 5 सिटां भाजपाचीच आसतलीं. कोणाच कडेन एकूय सीट घेवपाक जावचें ना ही आपली चॅलेंज म्हण पणजेचो आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Your focus will be in Tiswadi as far as assembly polls and constituents are concerned. How will you look at that?
See, I assure the party, okay, that all 5 seats as far as the Tiswadi is concerned will be won by Bharatiya Janata Party. Keep this in mind. No one will be able to take even one seat. I challenge anyone.
How come so confident, sir?
I am confident. No? I know. See, first of all, I was an MLA in 3 constituencies. Okay, here we have got this MLA. So I've got 3 constituencies. Mr. Madkekar is already there. And the fifth one is Sylvia. Whoever it is, maybe the candidate. But I assure you that 5 seats BJP is going to get as far as the Tiswadi is concerned. Okay. No, I challenge any party to come and take even one seat. Okay. This is my direct distinction.